this session we will discuss how to create a test for these components. Now we need to create a test package for this mobile.test. Here we will create normal test class spring demo test with main method. Here we need to create application context with that Spring Bean configuration file. Application context is equal to main class path XML application context. Here we need to pass application hyphen context.xml. Here we created application context. Over here we will call method public string get mobile battery capacity method. It will return battery capacity. Battery dot get battery watts will call here. Here in test class we need to create a bean for. We created beans already. We need to initialize the dependency object in mobile context dot get bean of mobile. This one typecast we need to add. Here we need to print mobile dot get mobile battery capacity. Here shall we run and see the output? See here, go run as Java application. See here 4000 mAh battery. What we are returning into the battery, the same thing. Here it is written. Here what are all the disadvantages we will discuss in next class. Thank you.